Karen Zoela and Camille Bayanban, and Mr. Christopher Diaz and Naira Rico. And now, ang pagpapakilala na po sa aming birthday celebrant. Our celebrant live at 016 Ellie Village, Lingal, Calambas City. Her birthday is on November 17, 2001. She's 7 years of age. She studied in Living Waters Children's Institute. She is the only sibling of Mr. Romel Alejandro and Mrs. Gigi Alejandro. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you our celebrant, Ms. Trisha Mel Alejandro. Please stand and give her a big hand of applause. Our celebrant, Ms. Trisha Mel Alejandro. Give her a round of applause. Bigyan po natin sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan. Once again, Ms. Trisha